We're at the Konbini.
Konbini, where Alyssa found her rice
Snacks.
crackers.
Oh yeah.
And it's her favorite place so far.
Yep. What kind of place is a place without rice crackers?
Right. Like like they don't add sugar and shit.
A bar is got lots of stuff. Now we're on the hunt for apple juice.
Yeah, so what's this apple juice all about, Will?
It's like if, like Kevin said, if apples were liquefied.
Right.
Isn't that what apple?
No, it's like pure.
It's like apple puree. Go, go, go. It's not like this, right?
So apparently Lawson's has it, right?
Yep.
All right, maybe tomorrow we'll find it. Lawson's number 3. They don't have it? They have it? Whoa, third Lawson's the charm.
Holy grail. You could baptize me in this stuff.
How dare you?
Sacrilegious.
You tainted the nectar of the gods.
Yeah, it's like perfect.
How dare you? Cheddar cheese.
I don't know. Top layers. Top layers.
We have no idea what any of this shit is, except for the black
Black Thunder.
Black Thunder.
What the heck?
It's pizza.
Flavored chips. Weird.
Whoa.
Cheetos, barbecue Cheetos. This looks kind of gross. They look like,
Is that like
they look like rabbit turds.
That is a post Cheeto.
Gross.
That looks good.
I don't know what this is.
Cheese balls?
So there's a frog. It just tastes like pizza.
Just try it.
It actually kind of tastes like pizza. I was like, how do they do it?
I don't know.
Yeah, usually it's like, because this is not just like barbecue. I don't know.
Is this supposed to taste like steak?
Well, there's like little pictures of steak and stuff on it.
You know, this pretty much tastes like shitty cheddar cheese, like that you get on like a cheap pizza.
Yeah. Meanwhile, Will's working to get Terrace House running.
I'm too busy dropping.
We are too busy shopping. Yeah.
We are in Kyoto.
We've made it after bussing around because there's 2 flippin' shrines with the same name. So
We went to the wrong shore.
it's been like over an hour of busing, but we're somewhere.
We're on our way there, I think. We're almost there. They're starting to look pretty scenic around here, so.
We're at Kiyomizu Temple.
We're at some temple.
Kiyomizu.
Jiajan. There's a big bell over there where you can go bing bong. What's up?
We are at, I forgot what it's called,
This place.
Arashiyama.
This river.
We're trying to get to the bamboo forest, but in the meantime, we are here.
Look at that
This
bird.
beautiful-
Can you see it? It's so majestic. Are we here? This is it, right?
That way, right? No? We are at our next night stay after like 2 hours on the train.
Interpreted things differently. I'm the prime minister.
My passport? Give me my data check? Oh, that's a lot of cash.
Your slippers off just before that's
How many people does it take to figure out?
Dude, is there like a spoon for the tea?
Call right now. Do it.
Do you want to split the kaiseki?
I don't think we can. This is my cute patterned yukata that they gave me. We're going to go eat dinner. Eric ordered Wagyu beef set, and I ordered sashimi.
You ordered sashimi?
Yeah, I did.
Can I have some? He ordered
Kevin
kaiseki.
ordered kaiseki, and Will also ordered the sashimi.
We out here. This place is super cute.
Yeah, so after we're probably gonna go to the onsen
It's like an experience. Yeah, we're gonna go to the onsen. They have like a cute little garden outside.
and then finish watching rugby.
Yeah, Rugby World Cup's on, even though Japan's losing.
Well, it's been like 10 minutes. Thank you. Ooh. That looks so good.
Take a look. Come look. My first time to Wagyu. Can't get these.
What do I eat first? Okay, do I wash my hands first? No?
I don't know what to do.
Huh?
I don't know what to do.
I know.
This is too high end for me.
It's so pretty. I don't want to ruin it.
Your seat?
Just put my wasabi and my soy sauce. Is that a no-no?
Just do what you want.
Do they not do that here? I feel like that's like a Western.
How's it, Will?
That's good. That's good. What is that?
Come on, like, comment, subscribe, bro. You can hear the train from here. This is super cute. There's lights here, you can see stuff. It's kind of nice. You can hear the cicada. Oh, there's a frog. There's a frog. Dude, fuck, man.
You walk back for the video. Fuck this shit. Fuck the video.
It's fucking huge.
Have you seen that thing yet?
You're so cool, Alyssa. You probably can't see it on the camera from here.
Oh no, let's get a seat. Stop in Osaka is Ichiran Ramen. Just supposed to be somewhere down here. Right here. What are you getting?
This is my.
Is it good? Walking around,
Ooh.
getting souvenirs.
Let's select the market portfolio.